What do all of the brands? I guess a couple of questions. What do all of the brands offer? Some type of fire protection and
All the brands
theft
that I carry.
protection. All the brands that you. So the 5 that you carry, and again to go through them. So Browning, Liberty. See if I can remember this. Browning, Liberty, Fort Knox, American Security, and Rhino Works. Is that right?
Yes,
okay,
you
cool.
got
5. So all 5 of those offer some sort of fire protection and theft protection?
Yes, absolutely.
Interesting. Very
Well,
cool.
they have a
Okay.
replacement warranty.
Okay.
In the event that they have an attempted break-in or fire.
Gotcha.
The lock, in some case or another, they'll either have a 1-year warranty on the lock,
Okay.
or they'll have a 5-year warranty on the lock.
Gotcha. Okay.
So that means in that first year, if you're having an issue with your lock, we need to get that taken care of.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So customer just needs to understand
Right.
what they're getting from you. You can communicate with
Right.
them. Hey, this is the warranty on this product. It said they range. They're different. Okay.